everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever had someone in your best friend list on Snapchat and want to remove them, whether you are not as close anymore or just want to clean up your list, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone as a best friend on Snapchat. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up your Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are there, tap onto your profile icon in the top left corner to go to your profile settings. Next, under your profile, you will see your best friend list. There you go. There are the people you chat with the most. To remove someone as a best friend, you can either wait for them to drop off the list naturally or just want to speed things up. You can do a few things such as quick ways to remove someone is by simply stopping interacting with them. Best friends are based on the frequency of chat and snaps, so if you stop sending snaps or chatting with them, they will eventually be replaced by others. Another way to remove them from your contact entirely. To do that, go to the chat with that person and tap onto their name at the top. In their profile, you will see a three-dot option at the top right corner of your screen. You will see an option called Manage Friendship, where you can remove them as a friend. Just tap Remove Friend and they will no longer be considered a best friend, and you won't be in their best friend list either. And that's it. Now you know how to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, but it can be a big help when you want to keep things in your Snapchat circle just how you like them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.